Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So the agenda of our today's video is to make you familiar with our channel. So if you've already subscribed to it, you'll get to know why have you subscribed, and if you have not subscribed to it, you'll get to know why should you subscribe. You'll get to know what you're going to learn through this channel and how you are going to learn. So let's just start with it. Now coming to the background of this channel emerged looking at the need of the hour. As we know that English has become a necessity today. Whichever career you choose or whichever industry you are in, everywhere it is a need today that you need to have good communication skills. And then looking at the another requirement, that is to stay home and stay safe. So we have brought this to you in the comfort of your own home. So you can watch videos which are going to help you in improving your communication skills, even if you are a basic student or you want to improve your advanced communication, and even if you're preparing for your international exam, everywhere it is going to help you. So let's just know what's there in this channel for you. Yes, we have come up with the playlist idea in this channel. So if you open the channel, if you open the icon of the channel, if you click on that, there will be an option of playlist. So in playlist, we are going to create different playlists for different sections that we are going to cover in this channel. So there will be a playlist for grammar on which you're going to find all the videos related to grammar. So if you make grammatical mistakes when you speak or when you write, you want to improve your grammar, so in that case you have to open just that playlist and you'll be finding videos related to that in the grammar section. Then if you are preparing for your pronunciation part, if you want to improve your pronunciation, we have already created a playlist for that. So you can find the videos related to pronunciation, fluency and intonation in that particular playlist. Then there is going to be a playlist based on vocabulary. If you want to improve your vocabulary, your lexical resource, you can find videos related to that in that particular section. Then the another section is going to be the business communication section. If you are an advanced level student and you're good with your basic communication and you want to learn formal email writing and all, then you can just click on the business communication and you'll be finding videos related to that in that section. Then the final section, the last section, is international language exam section, where you're going to find related to IELTS, that is international language exam, that you're going to find in that particular section. So everything has been scrutinized nicely for you and it has been made easier for you, that you do not have to surf all the videos whatever you want to learn. You just open that particular playlist and you can learn what you want to learn. So I hope you will enjoy this idea. And another idea is that you'll be finding videos here in both the languages, in Hindi as well as English. So if you are not able to understand the delivery in English, you can watch a video in Hindi so you are able to understand that. But yes, I would definitely suggest you to watch in English so as to improve your understanding. So I hope you will enjoy the concept and you'll enjoy the videos that will be uploaded on this channel. So keep learning, keep watching, keep subscribing. And yes, if there are any suggestions, they're always welcome. You can come up with your suggestions. Thank you for watching.